Ever felt stuck during a virtual brainstorming session? Let me show you how to make your meetings more interactive and productive. In this video, you're going to learn how to communicate and brainstorm directly in your team's meeting. For this, you'll need a Microsoft 365 license with access to Microsoft Teams. When you're having a Teams meeting, click the Share button and choose Microsoft Whiteboard. You can choose from multiple pre-made options and templates to get started right away. Once you find the one you like, click Use this template. Click anywhere and it'll automatically add the template you chose that you can edit and start using right away. You can share ideas on the sticky notes, add comments, move the sticky notes to different stages, and so on. On top of that, you and everyone on the call can draw, add different reactions, and write text anywhere on the whiteboard, all in real time. The best part? The whiteboard can be saved so you can turn to it after the meeting ends. Considering using Whiteboard in your company? Reach out to us to learn how to use this feature, or take the short productivity assessment test below this video to learn how much money you're losing each month and how best to avoid it.